April 30th, 2025. Wow, everything is coming up as you can see in the garden. Take a look, you can see the rows now. I don't know, the middle is kind of iffy. I don't know why the middle's not coming up as strong. I don't know. So, as you can see, are those sunflowers? Okay, the sunflowers are coming. If you look a little bit lower than the grass coming up, you can see that the sunflowers are coming up. There we are. Beans, and we got to give them a couple days. My gosh, things don't happen right away. Cauliflower looks good. All right. Just so everybody can see, these are more celebrity tomatoes I got growing, and that water really did them good. Okay. This one, it's been a nice rain. This is the rain this is the rain you always want. I do got some peas that are out of the ground a little bit. Whoopsie. All right, that guy's doing good. Tomatoes are looking really good. Peppers are good. Tomatoes are good. All right, I gotta find out what's going on. I don't know. This area right here, what is going on with this area? It's coming up. I'm sure it'll come up. I might have just put a little extra dirt in there. Hi, birdie. And as you can see, got everything coming up here. Like I said, today is April 30th, 2025. This guy, I don't know if he's going to make it or not. He might not. All right, corn I think when the squirrels start getting into it, got all that burnt down. All right, so rows, I kept it relatively straight for doing it by hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, I could have got one more row in there. That's a big opening on that one. I might plant some other stuff in there too. All right, and as you can see, the sunflowers are coming up. A lot of grass in that area. So, it means I can follow that out. I might plant one more row. I don't think I got anything in there. Let me see. Unless it flew in there, there shouldn't be anything in this. That's not a row. Okay. There we go. All right. So, it's looking okay. Been better. But hey, I'm happy with it. And then my big old oak trees. All my trees and stuff. All right. Yes, my roses are doing okay also. You guys want to see my roses? They're coming. They're the ones I planted last year, and I got a couple others. I'll show you the new ones, but first I'll show you the older ones. Okay. Doing good today. So if you're trapped in Antarctica somewhere and wanted to see some green, or if you're somewhere that you're kind of not able to get outside and see too much, hopefully you can keep a track of all my stuff growing. I gotta cut grass tomorrow. Yeah, I know, Berg. Yeah. So as you can see, these are the roses from last year. They are coming up if the freaking rabbits quit trying to eat them. That's why the ones that are broken right there, it's from rabbits. He's coming up really good. And why are you bent over? I need to get something on him so he doesn't bend over like that. So, okay, we're good. So anyway, have a great day.